In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts on HubSpot in an easy step-by-step manner. Whether you're looking to back up your contact lists or simply want to have them available in a spreadsheet, this process is quick and straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it. To begin, you'll want to start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by typing in the web address directly into your browser's address bar, or if you have it saved in your bookmarks, simply click on that for easy access. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on this to be directed to the login page, and here you'll need to enter your credentials. It's important to make sure your login details are ready and that your account's access rights allow you to perform exports. Once logged in, you'll find yourself directed to the HubSpot home interface. Now your next step is to navigate to the CRM section. To do this, look at the top of the dashboard where you will find various tabs. Find the one labeled CRM and click it. This will take you into the main customer relationship management area, essentially the heart of HubSpot, where you manage all your customer data. From the CRM page, locate and click on the Contacts option. This is typically situated on the left-hand sidebar menu. Clicking here will lead you to a detailed list of all your contacts registered within HubSpot. It's here where you can manage, organize, and of course export your contacts. Now that you're viewing the contacts, look for the Export option. This is usually displayed towards the upper part of the contacts interface, alongside other action buttons you might utilize like Import or Manage Views. Click on Export, and a dialog box or pop-up should appear prompting you for specific details about your export process. Usually you can choose export type, file format such as CSV, and whether you need to export all contacts or just a selected segment of them. Once you've selected your options, confirm the export. Generally, HubSpot will prepare the export in the background and notify you once it's complete by email or directly within the application, depending on your settings. Then you can download the exported file to your preferred location on your computer for future use. And that's it, you've just exported your contacts from HubSpot. As you can see, it's really a simple series of clicks that gets you the precise information you need. Now you can keep track of your clients more easily outside of HubSpot if necessary. If you have any questions or get stuck at any point, feel free to check out HubSpot's help resources, which are incredibly comprehensive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.